Alright, everybody has their own favorite kind of string lubricant. I just ran out of the fast thread I was using and decided to give this a shot. Just wanted to show you what it looks like when it arrives. I don't know how long it's going to last, you know, that kind of stuff yet, because I just got it. But it's a screw off top on here, and you can see inside of there, this thing pulls out of here, which is your handle, and then there's a cap on top of here, and you've got this pad that is, you know, moistened for lubricating the strings. You know, you just go down the strings a couple times, however you want to do it. Put it back in the cap to make sure it doesn't dry out. That's the purpose behind this. You're going to want to take a clean cloth and clean your strings off. I'm using a microfiber cloth. Everybody's going to have a different reason for using a product like this. Some people want to extend the string life. Me personally, I like to use it before and after a show. If I put it on before a show, while I'm doing my little setup, making sure everything's tight and all that stuff that I do before a show, this is the last thing I do, and then it just kind of makes me feel like I've got everything all ready to go and I'm ready to play and do my best. If you sweat a lot, obviously this is a great product, or if you're sweating all over your strings, or if you have corrosive sweat or something, you know, something like this would be great to help you get that stuff off after a show too. Anyway, it does the trick. I think if it runs out on me, I might hit it with some WD-40 and see what happens. There it is.